Transportation and Economic Corridors Capital Plan invests more than $8.1 billion over 3 years to design, build, and maintain the roadways and bridges that we count on every day. And we're putting that money to good use by improving traffic flows and supporting investment in economic corridors across the province. The result will be faster, safer travel for families and extra capacity for business so that they can be as ambitious as they want. It's critical that Alberta businesses and industry can get their products to market across the province, across the country, the continent, and the world. And it all starts with road infrastructure.
So our capital investment includes over $30 million over 3 years in new funding to support the replacement of aging bridges across the province, and especially here in southern Alberta. There are many small span bridges that are nearing their end of life, and many could be converted to culverts. And we are going to be working with municipalities to make sure that this new $30 million gets spent wisely in bridges that are nearing their end of life. And we're also protecting our valuable water resources with $312 million over 3 years for water management and flood mitigation, including the Springbank Off-Stream Reservoir project. And we're also continuing to provide over $500 million in grant funding to municipalities through our water and wastewater programs to help ensure reliable access to clean drinking water.
At its heart, our industry is about connecting our province's goods to markets and Albertans to opportunities. We may be the drivers, but we're the builders. Through our work, we're building communities, we're building the economy. Every day, on just about every road and highway in the province, we're building a stronger, more prosperous Alberta.
Volker 7 Highways and our colleagues across the highway maintenance industry really do appreciate the significant investment that the government of Alberta is making through Budget 2024 to maintain and extend the life of Alberta's highways, roads, bridges, and all of the infrastructure that you see as you make your daily drive. The 330 employees across Volker 7 all have that same sense of pride, and the men and women that get in these vehicles behind me at all hours in the worst of conditions that none of the rest of us would ever consider going out in, they feel a great sense of pride in terms of making sure everybody gets home safely.